Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank with Kathy and Coco, and we're here at Sand Hollow State Park. This is a off-highway vehicle riding area. You can see the appears to be some sand dunes. Just on the other side of those rocks in that large parking lot is a very large lake, Sand Hollow Lake. You can see there's a lot of space between the campsites. Some snow on the mountains. That would be Cedar City up to the north. You can see the contrails in the sky. We're going to be here for a week. This is March 6th. It's mid-50s. It's around noon. In the sun, it feels more like 10 degrees warmer. Rain came through here a few days ago. You'll notice the color red is all around. I'm not sure what the makeup is. I don't think it's sand. It's like a powder. Very quiet here. That direction south is St. George, and due east from here is Zion. I believe that's a national park. This is a very popular destination, stop-off point for those going on into Zion. There's the flare, pulled great, or there's the flare, it pulled the Colorado without any problems. So this is the Colorado 2011 tow bar setup. There's a bar comes across to the frame rails of the truck. Had the umbilical cord receptacle there for lights on the truck, and that's the breakaway switch for the brake system. Much easier to set up than the View. It's a Roadmaster design, and I may have a bull bar or push bar made to slip in to these receptacles and come up when the tow bar isn't installed. Actually, this truck is a little lighter than the View. With the cap, I estimate with the V8, it's probably 4,600 pounds. But like I say, it pulled fantastic. No irregular wear on the tires. Full campground. Although this space here has been empty. It wasn't available when we made reservations. Aluminum table, barbecue, fire pit, seems most options today like these aren't available in more restricted states, but not here. It's like the good old days.